So if you guys don't stay, you know, about it. Can you see? Hope you guys, hope, what is hope? Hope for you guys. I keep saying hope. You know, I didn't like that one. What's up? What's up? It's your boy, Big Me's for She's, back up in this thing, baby. And today we are doing the first video for 2025. So here we go. Another year in the books and another year of adventure landing and all kind of, you know, things to come. New people we're gonna meet, new terrain we're gonna greet, and new mods we're gonna peep, and all surrounding the Jeep. But yeah. Today is a video with just looking through a few funny, you know, bloopers or outtakes or whatever from all the videos that I did in 2024. So this is not a very long video, but stick around because I got something to announce at the end of the video. But yeah, we're just gonna have fun with this one. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. These are just some moments that I just, you know, through on the end of a lot of videos. So if you haven't watched the end of all the videos, make sure you do so. Also, if you're new to the channel, maybe you'll think about subscribing. I'm not gonna, you know, pressure you into that, but you know, see what it do. Other than that, let's get into it. Roll the footage. I mean, I might as well just do a little real quick. Oh, all in the trees. And got 6, you know. Have your recovery go. Hey, real quick, you know what's so crazy? Today we set course to get the last sunrise of the year, and we didn't get that. We didn't even get a sunset. Man, matter of fact, we ain't get no sun. Son of a... The adventure. Whew, that light is bright. About to get linked up, hopefully. I stay on my toes, baby. The adventures. You know what I'm talking about. We are now going to put on a new one. Only thing that I recommend is you give it a good oh my God. And we got that Fuelnomenal. All right, so you got 38s on there? Yeah. 588 gears? Okay. Yeah, he's good, man. Oh yeah, and if you guys haven't subscribed, it's no problem, baby. Chill. Me and Devin got stuck together last time. We got stuck together this time. Stuck together like butt cheeks. I don't know, we've been out here so long working, it's kind of warm now. I got this glove on. I guess I shouldn't stand in the middle of this, but I want to get it. The adventure ain't even started, because we got to get back down. Ooh, I need to brighten it up a little bit. Oh, hold on. Dig. Hold up, that's not a good look. What's up? Been a minute. Probably need to eat something, I'm hungry. And, oosh, you got that on camera? Oops. What's up? It's your boy, Big Me's for She's. So, we reached the, oh, the bees is on me. Bees and snakes, can't do it. Don't judge me. Ooh, almost. Yeah, I don't even, look. Ooh, It's getting warm out here. Yes, sir. Is it my turn? Y'all don't know nothing about that. Was that good?
Yeah,
I think I scared him. He's like, yeah, tried to get a money shot. That was a couple dollars, but that ain't the money shot. Chip. That was like a baby chip. Chip. Man, I had that little slight pucker. I started sliding into that lane a little bit. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Some eye boogers. What's up? It's your boy, Big. Oh, I was like. You're not gonna turn around and say hi? I thought you were gonna do that. Cause I'm.
Hey.
To the West Loop.
Ow.
Me like. So, yeah. Yeah.
No more bumps. That's the thing that I do not want anymore. Because I am trying to concentrate on this house that I'm making in Minecraft.
he's ready. Warm him up, baby. Let's go.
Be interested to see. I can't talk. This will be interesting to see how they start off. Ooh. How you doing? Done. Onward. Here comes the snow again. Some good Christmas trees out here.
Heck yeah. I just got the shortest Christmas tree I ever got in my life yesterday.
Oh yeah?
5 feet.
It's Christmas season. All right, y'all can see.
Good so far.
Yeah,
Coming along. I put the Christmas lights up.
lovely.
Pipe jackets on there.
What's that?
You know your little pipe jackets on there?
What's that? Pipe jackets.
I ain't heard that one.
Pipes, man.
Oh, so your pipes
Oh,
don't
yeah.
burst? Oh, house
Yeah,
maintenance?
The hose.
He went
already
from
had
Christmas trees to pipe jackets.
it.
I
I
was
know,
like,
freezing. yeah, because I told him my pipes were freezing.
all right, bro. Be easy.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, buddy. Welcome back to the lab. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those bloopers and outtakes just as much as I did filming those. Man, watching them just brought back a lot of memories of all the trails I got to check out, all the people I got to wheel with, all the people I got to meet along the way. And yeah, it was a pretty good year. I wish I would have did more in 2024, but we finna get live in 2025. So stay tuned. If you're a subscriber, good looking out. Make sure you you know, check out the channel because we're gonna do more. If it's your first time, hit that subscribe button and notification so you don't miss nothing. And yeah, you know, always hit that like button if you liked it. Share the video if you want to share it. Now, to kick off the 2025 season, I want to do a little something, just a little something. I mean, it ain't huge, just a little something. But Santa brought me an extra gift this year, and I'm actually not gonna need it because I have plans to upgrade, hopefully in the near future. But I figured, you know, why not give a little something back? You know what I mean? And until I can really do something, you know, I wanted to do a little giveaway. So, what am I giving away? Just some Midland walkie-talkies, some FRS radios, you know what I mean? Water resistant joints, rechargeable, which is good, just you don't have to worry about batteries dying and being like, oh, I don't have any more batteries. Typically, most of you guys can recharge these in your rig, car, home, whatever. Midland, you know, it's a great brand that's out there. Actually, what I'm going to upgrade to is a Midland GMRS, which is still cool because you can communicate with FRS on those systems. So if you're just starting out and you just want some, you know, walkie-talkies to communicate to other folks out there, yeah, boom. Otherwise, you know, you can use these at home. Use them for whatever. Use them around the house. Use them with your kids. Use them with your grandparents. I don't know. Whatever you do. But yeah, I want to give these away to you. So make sure you click the link in the description. And yeah, hopefully these will be yours. Also, another link in the description is to Fuelnomenal.com, which you guys can just check out, you know, learn a little bit more about Fuelnomenal. It's a good way to you know, support the channel. So if you guys want to grab a hoodie or a tea or some coffee or blah blah blah, check it out. Just let me know what you think too. Other than that, yeah, why not, right? So I appreciate you guys for watching. Mad love across the board. And again, stay tuned because I'm trying to get out there and show you guys a little something. And yeah, 2025, here we go. So other than that, till next time, y'all already know what to do. Be easy. After watching all of those ricatas, trying to explore, you know, a little extra. Be easy. You guys already know. You guys already know what to do. Oh my gosh. Can't even say it. Dang. Welcome back to the lab. You know what I mean? Other than that, y'all was almost there.